Good morning, YouTubers. Today was a pretty normal day, and I was just scrolling through my comments like I normally do, going through a whole bunch of comments. Half of them were, Bobby, I'd leave my husband for you, and the other half were, I'm not even gay, but I'd still do you. Until one comment caught my eye. A user by the name of Gabe Cass wrote, Bob, why does my rear mat keep slipping? I never really thought about that problem. I mean, I've noticed it in the past quite a few times. Every time I take my groceries out of my cargo area and come back to close my tailgate, I would see my cargo mat slip a little. And I didn't think anything of it. I would just put it back into place. And it's happened so many times that it has become autopilot for me. And it never was really a problem to me until a few days ago. I actually lost sleep over it. Damn you, Gabe Cass. I hope the next time you pass out drunk, your family dog rapes you. Fuck you, Gabe Cass. I hope you get robbed by a family of Pakistanis on the way to Costco. I made it my ultimate dying goal to solve this problem. Then while I was shopping at Hobby Lobby, I thought about Gabe Cass again. Not in a gay kind of way, but about his question, why does my rear mat keep slipping? And for those who don't know what Hobby Lobby is, it's an arts and crafts store in California. For those of you that live in the Ozarks and still don't even know that Ronald Reagan is not our president anymore. But while at Hobby Lobby, I discovered something. These clamp clasps that they refer to as key fob hardware. I hurried home and attempted to install these. For this job, you're going to need 2 zip ties, 2 clamps, a pair of pliers, and a pair of cutters. You're going to go to the OEM buckles right here, right behind your middle row seat. You're going to take the carpet, you're going to look for the border right here. It's a very thick, weaved up border. You're going to take your clamp, the alligator side, you're going to take a note of the teeth on there. The teeth is going to go over the border of your carpet mat. You're going to go ahead and take the alligator clip and place it over the border just like this, but you're going to want to straighten it out so it lines up with your OEM buckle right here. You're going to place it exactly parallel and common to with your OEM buckle, but don't overlap the buckle because you're going to want to be able to open this buckle whenever you want to. Okay, but place it right center on that buckle. You're going to take your pair of pliers, you're going to hold on to this, and you are going to clamp down on it. Now this isn't going to go anywhere. You're going to take your zip tie, put it through here, zip tie it up. Going to cut it. And now you're going to do the same for the other side. Going to line up my clamp so it lines up parallel with the OEM buckle. If it's overlapping, we're going to move the carpet back. Once we move it back and we got it lined up centered, we're going to hold it right there. We're going to take our clamp and our pliers, and we're going to clamp down on this until the alligator teeth chomps down on that border of our cargo mat right there. See how parallel it is with the OEM buckle, but it's not overlapping the OEM buckle. We're going to take our zip tie, zip it up, Now let's go ahead and test it out. Pretty firm. Woo! Nice. Now if I were to have my third row seat up, look how organized it would be instead of your whole entire cargo mat falling out or you having to remove the cargo mat to stow it away in your garage whenever you have third row passengers. With third row passengers, lift up the seat and this just falls right into place and it holds right there. Isn't that perfect? Very organized and you don't have to do anything. So Gabecast, thank you for the suggestion. It is a brand new, unique, one-of-a-kind idea that I never really thought of until you brought it up. Again, thank you for the suggestion. Peace.